Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, you can download additional watch faces on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it through the official ZEP application, and the second way is to do it through the third-party application you can download from the Play Store or App Store on your phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the ZEP application, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the third-party application. Also, if you want to change or rather download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon and then select your AMAZFIT GTR 3 from the list of devices. On this page, you should see the option called Watch Faces. Tap on it and this will open the Watch Faces store. And as you can see, we have different categories and lists of watch faces. We can browse through them. Now let's find the watch face we want to download on our watch. And now let's open, for example, freestyle category. And here let's look for some watch faces. Let's say maybe this one. So once you find the watch face you want to use, tap on it to select it, then tap on the sync button to start syncing it to your watch. And once it's done, the watch face should be applied automatically. Like this. Okay, you can download multiple watch faces if you want to, and once you do, you can tap on the mine option right here at the top and check the list of watch faces right here, and you will see that the watch faces you installed will be added right here on the list. You can also tap on the delete button right here and remove the watch faces if you want to by selecting them and tapping on delete. Okay, so that's how you download additional watch faces through the ZEP application. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it through the third-party application. So first we need to download that application. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Open the App Store on your phone. I'm gonna use the Google Play Store because I'm using Android device, but you can use App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search and type in Amaze Faces. Oh, my bad. It should be Faces, not Faced. Like that. You should see this application, Amaze Faces, with this icon. Tap on the install button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you will see the open button. You can tap on it to open the app. After the application opens, you will need to select the watch model. So tap on the select your device, select the series, so GTR, and then select model and select the GTR 3. Then tap on apply. Tap on agree and continue. And after a second or two, the watch face store will open, and we can again browse through the list of watch faces to find the watch face we would like to download on our watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it, then scroll down, find the download button, tap on it, select one of the options. Basically, usually you have languages for the watch faces and you can select multiple options. Select the one you like by tapping on it, tap on see ads, allow the permission, then tap on the connect button. Find your GTR 3 on the list, tap on connect next to it. Tap on connect again, and here we can select the installation version. Basically, if you select one of them, for example, first one, and it won't work, you can try the second one and hopefully it will solve your problem. I'm just gonna select the version 1. Let's wait. And after it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch, as you can see. And at this point, we're done installing the watch face. We can close the application. And that's how you download the watch faces through the third-party application. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.